Artoonza.
Hey there, sugar-obsessed artists and candy dreamers. Did you know 6 tiny bottle caps can magically transform into the most delicious lollipops you've ever drawn? Wow. That's right, no actual sugar involved. Your dentist will thank us later. Today, we're diving into a sweet art adventure. Drawing 6 stunning lollipops dripping with glitter, glossy polish, metallic polish, and acrylic paint. Colors so sparkly, your eyes might stick to the paper. Oh, and we brought a tiny, naughty vacuum to clean up the glitter chaos. Because glitter has zero respect for personal space. From pink and gold to silver and blue, every lollipop gets its own fabulous glow-up. Grab your art supplies and sweet tooth.
So cute.
Give us your like. Let's draw candy so gorgeous, you'll want to lick the paper. Just kidding. Please don't. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. The bottom middle lollipop volunteered first, and honestly, we respect the audacity. Green glitter polish only. Give us a big thumbs up. The top right lollipop is clearly the confident one, blue glitter polish, because it woke up and chose to slay. The top left lollipop refused to settle for one polish, pink glossy plus red glitter. Double the drama, double the fabulous. We fully support this behavior. The bottom right lollipop made one request. Make me look expensive? So we said yes. Yellow glossy polish, gold glitter on top. It's giving royalty vibes. Budget? What budget? The bottom left lollipop said, I want to look like a spaceship. Fair. Blue metallic plus silver glitter. It's out of this world fancy. Houston, we have a masterpiece.
Aw, so cute.
Stick time! 6 lollipops, 6 sticks, 1 brown glossy polish, 0 excuses. We know what you're thinking. Brown? Seriously? But trust us, brown glossy is the unsung hero here. It's the lollipop's backbone, its support system, its ride or die. Give it the respect it deserves. It showed up, did the work, and didn't once ask for credit. Smash that like button now. And now, the grand finale. The top middle lollipop. This one didn't just want to be beautiful. It wanted to be legendary. Pink glossy, red glitter, orange glitter, and we dropped actual red acrylic paint on it with a paint dropper and brushed it in like true artists. This lollipop is extra. This lollipop is chaos. This lollipop is everything. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.